Introducing Amazon Echo Spot, a stylish compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your study desk or bedside table. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events. At 8 a.m., there's yoga class, and at 7:30 p.m. there's Rahul's birthday celebration.
Alexa, tell me the latest news.
Here's your flash briefing.
Use room-to-room calling to check in on the family. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. You can also message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app. Alexa, message Pooja.
What's the message?
Are we still on for dinner tonight?
Sending message.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Alexa, play the latest Bollywood songs.
Playing the latest Bollywood songs.
And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs throughout your home across multiple Echo devices. Alexa, play music everywhere.
Playing music everywhere.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, Alexa, good night, to play relaxing music and turn off the lights. Then set a music alarm to wake you up. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow with Indian pop hits.
Alarm set for tomorrow for Indian pop hits.
With a growing selection of clock faces and tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter. Explore skills in your Alexa app or ask, Alexa, recommend some skills. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, Alexa, go home. Enjoy Echo Spot from Amazon.